All right, so now hopefully you had a chance to work on that. So let's look at if it's x. If this side is x and this side is x, that means it's x times x, which means it's x squared. Similarly, if this side is x and this side is x, that means the blue, if it was filled in, would again be x squared. But it's not filled in. It's still missing that one small square box, which we know is 1. So pretty much doing the same thing I did for the row above it. And again, here I get x. Now I know all of these sides are x, and I have that one, which is 1 by 1. So this is really 2 times x squared plus 1. Moving on, same thing. I have 4x multiplied by itself, so 4x squared. Notice that I put 4x in parentheses. I didn't just straight up write 4x squared. And that's because here now it is 4x times 4x. So really, this is equivalent to 16x squared, because 4 times 4 is 16. X times x is x squared. So then for the next one, I'm going to get 16x squared, and then removing that one box, minus 1. And for this one, similarly, I'm going to get 2 times 16x squared plus 1. And that could be further simplified to 32x squared. And the top one, this right here, could also be, this could be simplified further down as a number. I don't want to make any numbers right now. I want to actually look at the whole thing. So now I have x plus 3. Notice this one is given to me in parentheses. So if I have x plus 3 times x plus 3, I'm just going to leave that as x plus 3 squared. It's the simplest way to write it. So then for the next one, I have x plus 3 squared, because we know that that box is going to be the same until we actually take that piece out. And that piece is going to be our minus 1. And then here we know it should be 2 times the previous box from A, 2 times A, basically. That's where we're getting this from. X plus 3 squared. And now we're adding 1 because there's an extra box there. All right, so go back and look at that and hopefully make some connections there between squares and what this exponent is. It's an exponent of 2, okay? Notice